I'm going to show you how to make really simple, no-bake snack bars with only 4 ingredients that you probably have hanging around your kitchen somewhere. The first thing we're gonna do is take our peanut butter and we're going to put it in our blender, or you can use a food processor as well. So I'm gonna dump it in there. Now, I use a cup of raisins and I already have them soaking here. So you drain your raisins, but hang on to the water just in case. I haven't needed it, but you may end up needing it to blend into the peanut butter a little bit better. So I'm gonna turn this on, and when we come back, then I'll show you how to put all these bars together. Not all of the raisins are blended real good, but hopefully you can see there, it's a paste. And it's really sticky, so that's what you want. We're going to come over here, and I have 2 cups of Cheerios, and then we have a cup of nuts, so those go in there. You can also use seeds if you don't want to use nuts, sunflower seeds, whatever you like. And now we're going to get this peanut butter paste into the bowl as well. All right, then you'll just use a wooden spoon, mix it all up. All right, so it's all mixed up. Now you want a pan. Then you want to press it down. Now these just go in the freezer for about an hour. See, they kind of get out. Well, you can see this really well. Crunchy, peanut buttery, and sweet without any added sugar. Perfect. That's all for now, guys. See you next time. Bye.